Hi everyone, welcome to Valiant Living, Vibrant Authentic Living. This is Nandi, and today I'm going to share with you about the tamarind. Alright, this is the tamarind. It is a tropical fruit. Here in Jamaica we have lots of tamarind, and now it is actually tamarind season, right? This is what it looks like. So it's a brown pod, bean-like pod, and it has seeds. Now the seeds, right, so this is what the tamarind looks like when it is ripe. It has seeds that contain a brown fibrous kind of pulp. When it's green, it's sour. As it ripens, it gets sweeter and sweeter. Now usually the tamarind, even when it's ripe, it's kind of tangy, right? So a little sweetness, but more sour. Now the guy that the food van that I go to, sometime I think last year, I went to him and he said, you know what, I have something for you, because he's always putting things up for me, because he knows how much I love fruits, right? So he's always saving cherries and anything that he knows maybe hard to get at a particular time, he saves it for me, right? So he said, I have something for you. This is very sweet tamarind, because usually the only way I prepare tamarind is to juice it, because I like sour but in juice, right? So I'll not sit down and eat something that's very sour. So but I never put sugar in my juices. Never ever put sugar in any of my juices. When I make tamarind juice, I might put a little honey in it. So it says this tamarind is not like the others. You don't have to put any sugar. You don't have to put anything at all. So I said, what's so special about this one? He said, this is the sweet tamarind, right? So I'm going to open the pod to let you see what it looks like on the inside, right? So this is the sweet variety. No, when I was little, we used to we still have them in Jamaica. We make a confectionery called tamarind balls. So what we do is we shell out the tamarind pods and we get that brown pulp. So this is the brown pulp, right? Very fibrous and creamy, and we mix it. When I was little, right, we mix it with sugar and roll it into balls, and it's sold at the shops and the supermarkets as tamarind balls. So we would buy that, and it's a treat, for everyone, not just children. So this is the part. So this one, when I tasted it, when the food man gave it to me, that's what we call our fruit vendors here in Jamaica. We call them food man. So when he gave it to me and I tasted it, man, you want to taste this. You don't have to add anything to this. It's naturally sweet. There's that tanginess to it, but it's naturally sweet. Mm. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. This is the seed. So it's a brown seed. And when I'm making my tamarind juice, what I do is I'll shell the tamarind, and I actually put it to soak overnight in the fridge. The reason why I do that, when I blend it in the morning, I want the pulp to just come off quickly, right? So I'll just do one little whiz in the NutriBullet, and the pulp is off, and I strain that off. But actually, persons do use the seed. They use the pulverized seed as medication, right? They use a pulverized seed. So I don't use the seed at all. I just blend, get the pulp off, strain it, and I'll mix other fruits with it when I'm preparing tamarind. So I'll add passion fruit, I'll add pineapple, makes a good combination with tamarind. Now tamarinds are very, very nutritious. They're used to help in the treatment of diarrhea, constipation, any problems with the digestive tract. Right, they're also very rich in antioxidants, and they're anti-inflammatory. Right, so packed with nutrients, very rich tropical fruit. Okay, so like I said, this is the sweet one. Generally, I would not suck the sour tamarind like that, because I don't like too much of a tang. But this particular one, I'll just sit and have that, right? So traditionally, tamarind has been used in many cultures. In our own Jamaican culture, in India, in Africa, it's actually native to Africa, and it's used to help in the treatment of peptic ulcers, to lower the blood sugar in diabetes. It's rich in polyphenols, so those antioxidants help to boost your immune system. So I have tamarind juice very regularly. When it is in season, my fridge always has tamarind, right? And typically in the mornings, I'll have my tamarind juice in combination with other fruits, right? So there are cultures where they use tamarind even on the skin, in creams and so on. It's antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, so a very nutrient packed fruit. I am so blessed to be living in Jamaica, where I have an abundance of these fruits, right? So I'm just sharing with you this morning, and you will see if you watch my other videos where I'm making my juices, tamarind, it will come up often because I use it a lot once it is in season. Okay, so this is Nandi signing out. If you have not subscribed to Vibrant Authentic Living, please do so now while you're at it. Share the video, click like, leave a comment, let me know. Have you ever tasted tamarind? How do you use it? What are the effects that for you it has had, right? In our culture, it's very, very used, very much used. So until next time, this is Nandi signing out. Vibrant Authentic Living. I'll see you in my next video.